Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, safe inside your homes. So today we are going to start with chapter 4 in history. We are going to continue with chapter 4 in history, that is the Mughal Empire. So we have already talked about Akbar, Humayun and so on. So now here we are going to start with Jahangir. All of you must be knowing Niruddin Muhammad Salim, known by his imperial name Jahangir, was born on 30th August 1569. He was the fourth Mughal emperor who ruled from 1605 until his death. Jahangir was the eldest surviving son of Mughal Emperor Akbar and was declared successor to his father from an early age. So he was declared as successor, means the one who will take out the empire after the death of his father. Next we have is Nur Jahan. So Meher-un-Nisa or Nur Jahan occupies an important place in the history of Jahangir. She was the widow of a rebel officer, Sher Afghan of Mughals. She was a beautiful and a strong woman. She soon became Jahangir's favorite queen and assumed the title of Nur Jahan, that is light of the world. So what is Nur Jahan? It is the light of the world, and she became one of the favorite queens of Jahangir. Nur Jahan herself came to exercise considerable influence over her husband, and Jahangir is said to have relied heavily on her advice. It means that Nur Jahan used to advise Jahangir a lot, and Jahangir also used to follow what she said. After this we will talk about Shah Jahan. So Shah Jahan, Shah Abdullah Shahabuddin Muhammad Shah Jahan, that is, was born on 5th January 1594. He was the 5th Mughal emperor of India, and he is also known as Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan assumed the Mughal throne on 24th January 1628 in Agra, a few days after the death of Jahangir. So Shah Jahan had left an extraordinary legacy behind. It was his command that the Taj Mahal was built in Agra in the memory of his favorite wife, that is Mumtaz Mahal. So all of you must be knowing this. Now we have Taj Mahal and the tomb of Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan. So you can see the pictures, and all of you have already seen. This is just a overview of it. Next we will talk about is Aurangzeb. Now Aurangzeb, the emperor Shah Jahan's sixth son. Aurangzeb is the Shah Jahan's sixth son and was born on 24th October 1618 at Rohad in Madhya Pradesh, and wrested India's crown from his father before the end of the June 1658 after defeating his brother Prince Dara Shiko's armies. So Mughal Empire, after the death of Aurangzeb, that is in 1707, we can say that the Mughal Empire had completely came to an end. But till then, when Aurangzeb was there, the Mughal Empire was flourishing. So here we are going to talk about Aurangzeb, who happens to be the sixth son of the Emperor Shah Jahan. And here we will talk about Dara Shikoh, that is the eldest son of Shah Jahan, who was resident at Shah Jahan's court as designated here, and the governor of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Here you can see the picture. Aurangzeb seated on the peacock throne, and a painting from 1637 shows that brothers Shah Shuja Aurangzeb and Murad Bakhsh in their younger years. So this is where you can see the pictures. So that was all for today. Now let us have a quick recap. We studied about Jahangir, studied about Shah Jahan, Mumtaz Mahal, the tomb in Delhi, and Aurangzeb. So this was in all about the Mughal Empire. So that was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.